Welcome back to the Facebook Marketing Software YouTube channel. Today, I'll guide you on how to seed posts to boost engagement on Instagram accounts. First, you need to sign up for an MKT Insta account. With the MKT Insta software, you can manage unlimited Instagram accounts, centralize message management, update account information, and even scan customer data. To seed posts, go to the Viral Marketing section. Here, you'll find multiple features such as post article, post video reel, comment by hashtag, follow, and more. If you want to seed posts, select the seeding post option. First, you'll need the link to the post you want to seed. Next, set up the parameters as shown in the video. Remember to prepare the seeding content in advance, separating each comment with a "You can choose whether to allow duplicate comments or not." Finally, load the accounts you want to use for seeding and press the Start button to execute the action. If you found this helpful, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest information.